Have you ever stopped to wonder how online shopping seems to know exactly what you want before you do? How every click, scroll, and search somehow leads you to the perfect product, sometimes before you even knew you needed it. This isn't just luck. It's the power of e-commerce innovations working behind the scenes to make shopping faster, smarter, and more personal than ever before. But what's really driving this transformation, and how much further can it go? E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services online. From ordering a pizza on your phone to buying clothes from a global brand's website, e-commerce has become a normal part of daily life. It's all about convenience, speed, and access to a world of options without leaving your couch. E-commerce isn't just about putting products online. It's a constantly evolving industry driven by technology. And the most exciting part? It's nowhere near finished. Right now, we're in the middle of a shopping revolution powered by technologies that seem almost magical. Imagine an online store that knows you better than your closest friend. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence, AI, is quietly shaping your shopping experience every day. From the moment you start browsing, AI tracks your behavior, learns your preferences, and serves up personalized recommendations that feel tailor-made. It's like having a personal shopper at your service 24/7, but it doesn't stop there. Augmented reality, AR, has taken try before you buy to a whole new level. Want to see how a couch will look in your living room? AR lets you do it without ever leaving home. Suddenly, guessing games and product returns are a thing of the past. Then there's voice shopping. Hey Alexa, order laundry detergent. Done. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant let you shop while cooking dinner or folding laundry. No clicks, no screens, just convenience. And delivery? Forget waiting weeks for packages. Same day and 1 hour deliveries are now possible thanks to innovations like drone shipping, autonomous robots, and AI-powered logistics. The buy now, get now experience is becoming the new normal. But none of this would matter if shopping online didn't feel safe. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay offer fast, secure payments, while buy now, pay later services give shoppers more flexibility. With encrypted transactions and multiple payment options, trust in e-commerce has never been higher. People are also demanding change, not just in technology, but in responsibility. Shoppers today want to know their purchases aren't harming the planet. Companies are answering the call with eco-friendly packaging, carbon-neutral shipping, and ethical production practices. Green shopping isn't a trend, it's the future. So the next time you're about to click Buy Now, remember, there's a whole world of innovation making it possible. AI, AR, voice shopping, and more are shaping the future of e-commerce. What's next? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing's clear, we're just getting started.